Introduction to Essential Physics Terms.
Understanding physics starts with mastering its key terms. In this video, you'll discover 10 foundational concepts that are essential for anyone beginning their physics journey. Knowing these terms not only helps you grasp the basics, but also unlocks deeper insight into how the universe works. Let's dive into the top 10 physics terms every beginner should know.
1. Force.
Force is a push or pull that can cause an object to move, stop, or change direction. It's measured in newtons and is fundamental to understanding motion. Gravity pulling you to the ground and friction slowing down rolling objects are both examples of forces in action.
2. Energy.
Energy is the ability to do work or cause change. It exists in different forms such as kinetic, potential, thermal, and electrical energy. Energy can be transformed from one type to another, but is never created or destroyed, according to the law of conservation of energy.
3. Mass.
Mass refers to the amount of matter in an object. It's a measure of an object's resistance to acceleration when a force is applied. Mass is different from weight, which depends on gravity. The standard unit for mass is the kilogram.
4. Velocity.
Velocity is the speed of something in a specific direction. Unlike speed, velocity includes information about both how fast and in which direction an object is moving. Changing velocity means an object is accelerating or decelerating.
5. Acceleration.
Describes how quickly an object changes its velocity. This can mean speeding up, slowing down, or changing direction. Acceleration happens when a force is applied, and it's measured in meters per second squared.
6. Work.
Work in physics is done when a force moves an object over a distance. It's calculated by multiplying the force applied by the distance moved in the direction of the force. Work is measured in joules and bridges the concepts of force and energy.
7. Power.
Power measures the rate at which work is done or energy is transferred. It's how quickly you use energy to do something, like running versus walking. Power is measured in watts, with higher power indicating faster energy usage.
8. Momentum.
Momentum is the product of an object's mass and velocity. It describes how much motion an object has and how difficult it is to stop. In a collision, momentum is conserved, meaning the total momentum before and after remain the same.
9. Gravity.
Gravity is the force that attracts two objects with mass toward each other. It's what keeps planets in orbit and makes things fall to the ground. Gravity is universal. It acts everywhere in the universe and affects everything with mass.
10. Wave.
A wave is a disturbance that transfers energy from one place to another without moving matter permanently. Light, sound, and water waves are common examples. Studying waves helps explain many phenomena, from music to how we see and communicate.
Conclusion. Building your physics foundation.
These 10 terms form the core vocabulary of physics. Mastering them makes it easier to understand more complex ideas and solve problems. As you continue exploring physics, remember that every concept builds on these basics. Keep these terms in mind, and you'll have a strong foundation for learning more.